Well, this isn't a great how-to video because I'm starting at the end, but hopefully this gives someone confidence in case they need to know what they're up against when they're replacing a firebox and a big green egg. I got tired of going in and looking at my broken firebox, and I know I'll get haters on the internet who say that it's got a lifetime warranty, but I couldn't find my original receipt, and I've had this thing for like 16 years, so it was time. I had to do it. And when I came in to look at it, the challenge that I had was this firebox had creosote packed in, and I really couldn't remember what it looked like on the inside. But this is the gap that you have between the outside wall and the firebox. And so yes, you do have to get that firebox out to replace the unit, but yeah, you can just dig at it with a screwdriver carefully. Also have a couple of other things that I messed with, and finally got enough of that creosote off where I was able to lift the firebox out. And once I did that, I was able to put my new one in, and hopefully I'll get another 16 years of use out of this thing. Yeah, I need to replace my my gasket there, don't I? Oh well, maybe another time.